Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to undo an import in Google Calendar and remove any events that were added by mistake. This helps keep your calendar clean and organized without having to delete each entry one by one. On your Google Calendar, to delete an imported file or calendar, you just need to click on it. For example, you can see the imported calendars here. You will find all your imported calendars listed under My Calendars. All you need to do is click on the three dots next to the calendar and go to Settings and Sharing. Once you are here, you will see the option to delete the calendar. We can undo the import by deleting the calendar. Just select the calendar you want to remove, then click Permanently Delete. Once it is permanently deleted, it will undo the imported Google Calendar. That is how we undo an import in Google Calendar in just a few simple steps.